Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will dive deeper into SQL using Microsoft Access. If you are learning SQL for data analysis, reporting, or working with databases, this video is perfect for you. We will cover group by having filters like in, between, and like, as well as joins and aggregate functions like count, sum, and average. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly review the tables we will use. We have two tables, the department table and the employee table. And also, we have already created a relationship between the two tables using department IDs. Let's start with the group by clause. This group rows that shares the same value in a column, usually combined with the aggregate functions. Example, count the number of employees in each department. So here is the syntax for group by count. We have selected the department ID from the employee table. Now we will run the syntax. This tells us how many employees are in each department. SQL also provides aggregate functions to calculate values across rows. The first one is count total employees. The syntax for count is select count bracket open star mark bracket close as total employees from the employees table. Now we will run the syntax. Here you can see the total employees has came. Similarly, we have sum and the average function also. Now we will run the sum function. Here you can see the syntax. Select sum salary as total salary from the employees table. You can see the total salary of all the 10 employees. Similarly, for the average, now we will run the syntax for average. So here you can see the average salary of all the 10 employees. Now, the next clause, having. Having is used to filter grouped results, kind of like where, but used after grouping. Example, show only departments with more than 2 employees. The SQL syntax for having clause is select department ID, count, bracket open, star mark, bracket close as total employees from employees group by department ID having count less than 2. Now we will run the syntax. So here you can see the only departments with more than 2 employees. Let's look at filtering rows using in, between and like. Example 1. Using in to find employees in finance or IT. So the syntax for in clause is select employee name, salary, department ID from employees where department ID in second and third. Now we will run the syntax. You can see the employees in finance or IT department. Example 2. Use between to filter salaries between 50,000 to 70,000. The syntax for between clause is select employee name, comma, salary from employees where salary between 50,000 and 70,000. Now we will run the syntax. You can see the employee names whose salary is between 50,000 and 70,000. Coming to the example 3, use like to find name starting with A. The syntax for like to find starting with name A is select employee name from employees where employee name likes A. Now we will run the command. You can see the employee names starting with A. Similarly, like the names ending with A, we will run the syntax. You can see the employee names ending with the letter A. Coming to the next clause, inner join. To bring together related data from multiple tables, we use join. Here is how to join the employees table with the department table. The syntax for the inner join is select employees, employee name, comma, department name from employees inner join, department on employees, department is equals to department's department ID. Now we will run the syntax. This shows each employee names along with their department names. Coming to the next clause, limit and offset simulations. Axis doesn't support limit or offset directly, but we can simulate it. Example, show first 5 employees using the limit clause. The syntax for limit clause is select top 5 employees from employees order by employee IDs. Now we will run the syntax. You can see the first 5 employees from the employees table. Coming to the next example, skip first 5 and show next 5. The clause is offset. Now we will run the syntax. You can see the next 5 employees. And that's wrap up this session on SQL in MS Access. You have now seen how to use group by and having filter data using in between and like perform joins across tables, apply powerful aggregate functions and simulate limit and offset in Access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and also drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.